Hi, Milorad here. Today I'm going to cook Asian inspired dish. It's kind of a fusion, and I have some ingredients here that I'm going to show you. I have this barley noodles that I will use. I have extra firm organic tofu that I'm going to use. I have this beautiful head of purple cabbage. They call it red. To me it's a purple. And then we have some vegetables here. I have 2 sweet peppers, red and orange. I have 1 carrot. I have onion. I have a couple cloves of garlic. And I have a beetroot or beet. And those are all ingredients that I'm going to use. And just before serving, I will also make a little dressing or sauce, whatever you want to call it. And I have all those soy sauce, fish sauce, oil, vinegar, and all that good stuff to make that sauce or dressing as well. Now we are ready to start cooking. Okay, my wife will cut the cabbage first, and she has her way to cut it in half, and then half and a half. That will be quarters. And because that cabbage is way too big, we will just use a quarter, and she's going to cut it and kind of shred it. Okay, now we are cutting that beetroot. It's very hard vegetable, and we will use only half. For the beet, we are using this shredder. Because beets are so very hard vegetable, and we need to cook it in the same time. That's why we decide to kind of shred it. It will cook a little bit faster. In this pan we have a tofu that we're going to crisp. It lost a little bit of moisture when we tossed it in the little oven, and now I need to kind of just crisp it, and that is doing on this smaller frying pan. And this one is ready too. This is one that we will go and saute vegetables. And first goes onions. Our tofu is doing really good. We have a crust on one side already, and our onions are half done. Now I will put the rest of vegetables, peppers and garlic. Now I will add our cabbage, purple cabbage. Mix it really good. And I will also add beetroot. Wow, look at that color. I'm going to tend the tofu, and then now it's actually time for us to start boiling noodles. And those noodles, barley noodles, they just need 5 minutes, and that's why I'm not concerned about that. When everything's ready, 5 minutes, noodles be ready as well. Our vegetables are sauteing really good, and it's already kind of shrinking a little bit, and that's what we want to happen anyway. Okay, and our tofu is ready. I'm ready to start cooking noodles, and here I will use this water from cooking noodles previously, and it's lots and lots of starch here that I like to use. And when it starts boiling, we will go and put the noodles in. I'm ready to make a sauce or a dressing that we will put at the top. And first that goes is Kikkoman soy sauce. Okay, that's it for now. If we need more, we will put more. And now next one is fish sauce. Okay, fish sauce is in, and now I have this oil and vinegar together. Otherwise I will put oil and vinegar separately, but I have already mixed it here. Okay, and garlic salt that I will also put there. Okay, mixed all together. Okay, this looks really good. I think I need to go and taste it. Almost done. Much softer, but still have some crunch in it. Okay. Whew. I'm very excited for this dish. This is not some kind of famous dish or known dish. This is complete improvisation with ingredients that I have in my pantry and my fridge, but that's how I like to cook. I do not follow any recipe or anything like that. I just go by a feel. Okay, these are Quinque barley noodles, Highland barley noodles. They are made in China, Chinese noodles, and I will use only one package. Okay, noodles goes in. Takes 5 minutes for noodles, but I will cook them for 4 minutes, and then we will kind of keep them a little bit of stir fry in these vegetables together. Our vegetables are sauteing really good, and now I just need to season them a little bit. And first thing that I'm going to use is Vegeta, but just a little bit, because Vegeta is very salty, and I have a soy sauce, and soy sauce is also lots of sodium as well. And now I'm using crushed red peppers to add a little bit of spice in my dish. Okay. Wow, this looks good. Really good. And of course, black pepper. Wow, this looks really, really good. Okay, our noodles are almost ready. Let me go and check. All done, all ready. I'm going to transfer noodles okay, now a little toss, and these noodles are not white anymore because of all these colorful vegetables, purple cabbage, and of course beetroot, the most colorful of all of them. Okay, now I'm kind of just stir frying these noodles with vegetables, and just to kind of crisp them a little bit. Okay, they are ready. Let's plate it. Wow, look at those. Now, purple noodles. Wow, this looks beautiful. Just beautiful. And now I will add these pieces of tofu that we crisp. Wow, look at this tofu. Beautiful, beautiful crisp outside and still very, very soft inside. So crispy. Okay. This already looks beautiful. Now I will add a little bit of color with these wild green onions, and this dressing or sauce will go at the top. Wow, this is going to be fantastic, fantastic meal. Okay, I will just wait a minute or two because it's still very, very hot, and we will go and eat. Okay, ready to taste my now purple noodles, tofu, purple cabbage, beetroot, Asian fusion dish. Piece of tofu. Crunchy. This is real Asian dish. I can taste all this dressing like soy sauce, fish sauce, and of course crispy tofu. Cabbage is very sweet, and beetroot as well, very sweet. This is so good. Maybe I should kind of write down recipe. Even I don't like recipes, I don't cook with recipes, but this is so good that I should do something with it. Instead of just forgetting on it after I eat it today. Oh, look at this bite. This is just fantastic Asian fusion dish, and I'm going to finish it off the camera, but I really enjoy it very much. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Milorad out.